The next tool that's a must and will be a very influential traffic source to your website is your Google My Business page. Google My Business is a simple page that you can populate with any free Google account. It's the place on Google where you can add your business name, address, phone number, images, hours of operation, basically anything about your business. In addition, this is where your clients can post reviews, which is really important, and those reviews are right there for the world to see when potential clients are looking for a salon or spa in your area. Your Google My Business page is what populates the Google 3-pack, which are typically the first 3 organic spots in Google search. Now, chances are good that there are more than 3 salons in your city, so it's of extreme importance that your salon takes up one of these 3 spots. So, how do you do that? Great question. First is simply that your Google My Business page is completely 100% filled out with accurate information about your business and high quality pictures. Next, making sure that your website is optimized with high quality content is important because Google looks at all of your digital properties for quality content and engagement, and this includes engagement on your social profiles as well. And finally, your Google reviews. You're going to have a better chance of ranking in the Google 3-pack if you have a bunch of diverse reviews from real clients. These Google reviews are not only important for SEO purposes, but people trust online reviews. And if you have a glowing reputation on Google, you will get lots of new clients from reading your positive reviews. I have a strategy that works really well for getting more Google reviews that I've posted on YouTube, so be sure to subscribe to my channel. If you can rank your Google My Business page and your website, you will have 2 of the 13 spots on the first page of Google, which will guarantee lots of traffic to your website. And like I say, the salon with the most clicks gets the most clients. Quick side note, I mentioned earlier that these 6 digital marketing tools work together. One thing that I love is that if you use Rosie Salon software in your salon, your clients can actually schedule appointments straight from your Google My Business page. That means they don't even have to click through to your website to schedule online. The next digital marketing tool is video, and I'm not going to lie, I love video.